Hey friends, so today we're going to be taking my hair from straight to curly. You guys know I love switching out my styles, but I definitely need to give my hair some TLC and bring my curls back to life, as you can see here. One of the biggest causes to hair damage is the calcium found in tap water. That's why I'm going in with the new Kerastase Premier range to decalcify and replenish my hair. Going in with the new Kerastase Premier range, I'm going to start off with the pre-shampoo, and that's really going to help decalcify my hair and really work on my damaged ends. I really work on the ends of my hair as they're the most damaged from switching out hairstyles, and also where the most heat is applied to my hair. And whilst the pre-shampoo is still in my hair, I'm going to layer on top with the repairing shampoo. And this range has 3% citric acid, so it's really going to eliminate that build-up and reduce stiffness and dullness to the hair. The glycine penetrates the inner layer of the hair to help reconnect the broken links, which dramatically reduces breakage. Then the repairing conditioner to really lock in that moisture and hydration. And you can see my curls coming back to life, nice and healthy, which is really comforting to see as someone that switches their hairstyles a lot. Once my hair is freshly washed and nice and damp, I'm going in with the Serum Filler, which has glycine as well as peptides in this range, which is going to help strengthen my hair and keep my hair hydrated and shiny all day. Look at the bounce in the hair. I'm just combing it out, putting in a diffuser to really lock in the curls. The front of my hair also has a bit of damage, and I'm definitely going to work on it this year. They also have a new in-salon service, which I'm going to try and see if it works to repair my front bits. And you can see me here just trying to bring back my curls, scrunching it up, playing around with it. But honestly, my hair has come out so great, especially with knowing how damaged it actually is at the front and just seeing my curls come back to life. I've really been enjoying the new Kerastase Premier range. Let me know what you guys think of this video. Let me know what you guys think of the products, and I'll catch you guys in the next vlog. Bye!